When programs can't fully fund every service line replacement, clear and honest communication becomes even more critical. Across the multiple water utilities that we're currently working with, the most effective approach is being transparent early, explaining how eligibility was determined, which homes were prioritized, and how funding may change over time. So when we speak directly to residents, it's important to let them know your home may not be eligible at this moment, but it may be in the future as funding becomes available, to make sure that they are informed and ready to participate in the program once they are eligible. And we do take time to explain why certain homes are prioritized. In our Milwaukee program, we're using something called the Area Deprivation Index, and houses are prioritized based on elevated blood lead levels and other economic criteria to make sure that the houses that are most in need and the families that are most in need receive their lead service line replacement first.
Whether a lead service line replacement program is completely free or customers are responsible for the cost of their own service line replacement, I believe the best means of encouraging participation is to show customers that it's truly in their best interest, and participation comes with clear benefits. Participation can protect the customer's health. Lead can get in the drinking water due to the corrosion of pipes or other plumbing parts made of lead, even if proper corrosion control was used. According to the US EPA, there is no safe level of lead. The only permanent solution is replacing the lead service line. While total costs vary for replacements, in general, they can be quite pricey. Typically, service line replacements through a lead service line replacement program may be bundled or grouped or secured at a lower interest rate that might reduce the cost to the customer. Additionally, by participating in a program, the customers may not have to pay the entire cost up front. Lead service lines are already older and later in their service life, so whether the customer participates in a program or not, their aging service line may need to be replaced sooner rather than later. Homeowners with failing service lines that hire a plumber are likely to have to pay the entire cost up front, and costs for emergency replacements can be even higher. Finally, through a lead service line replacement program, utilities engage industry experts that customers can trust to complete the work on their property. The contractors have already been vetted and their work is guaranteed, so customers can rest assured that the replacement is of the highest quality.
One of the most important things a utility can do from a messaging standpoint, if they think they don't have the funding to replace all of their lead service lines, is to say so, and to clearly outline the options that a customer has to get the lead out of the ground, be it a voluntary replacement program where the customer pays, a loan program, or working with a third party. This doesn't leave the customer hanging, waiting for a free replacement that the utility thinks will never happen, and it helps the customer make an informed decision to protect themselves and their family. Being transparent will increase public trust. From a logistical standpoint, one of the things you can do to increase sign-up participation for these kinds of programs is making signing up really, really easy. This could look like as simple as possible form with the information about what someone is signing up for and the financial benefits or ramifications. It could look like having a digital version of the form as well as a paper copy form. And it definitely looks like having someone who is available to talk to customers about their financing options, what it means for them, and how to choose the best thing for their family.